Morning, everyone. It's that time of the day. Time to make some moolah. Time to secure that bag. This is what's up. I'm gonna jump in the truck and do some 360 inspection. Make sure my truck's running good, and we should have a wonderful day today. Yeah, my people, this is the kind of traffic and weather I'm dealing with today, man. Vlogmas day 7.
Use the left 2 lanes to keep left towards Express.
After Vlogmas is done, I'm gonna get back into my regular routine of teaching you guys certain things about the box truck industry, straight truck industry here in Toronto, Canada, Ontario. I'll get back into all those things on what to buy, how to source loads, all that kind of stuff. But I'm just having fun.
Keep
with
left.
Vlogmas. First time that I'm trying it out, and the response has been good on YouTube so far. So I appreciate you guys, man. Thank you as always for following in, tuning in, putting that notification on. When
For about 22 kilometers, continue straight on.
This is why I need the Action 6, so I can actually have my Google Maps separate from my recordings on my videos. So DJI, come on, man, sponsor your boy, man. Hook me up. Trust me, I'll make your products even better. No, I'm bullshit. I can't make your products better because you guys are the ones that make your products. But at least I can give some insight onto how your products work in my industry. I'm not the biggest tech guy out there, but I use tech in my day-to-day trucking. So you guys, come on, man. Send me over the Action 6 and some accessories while you're at it. My description is my email's in the bio. Send your boy something. But yeah, man, that's what it is, man. These are the days that we're having right now. We are in the winter season, and it's gonna be a few months, man. At least minimum 4 months of this kind of weather, on and off. You guys just have to be careful out there on the road. I always give you guys tips, so look back in the videos if you guys want some more tips on your circle check and just how to make sure you maintain your vehicle before you jump in it for these kind of weathers. And this morning, one of the biggest things that I had to do was make sure, again, I have enough windshield washer fluid, because this is needed. My windshield wiper blades have to be working properly. They can't be broken, or they can't have a lot of snow or ice build up on it, or else you won't have good visibility. So keep that in mind, guys. Yes, sir. I'm on my way to my first drop. I did sort of have to switch things up. I had one call me from yesterday, and it was supposed to be my first pickup, but I couldn't do the first pickup. Timing wise didn't make sense, so I'm going to my second pickup first and then go back to my first pickup, if you guys understand what I mean. Just because the weather plays a factor, and my second pickup was an appointment pickup for 11 o'clock. So in order for me to get there for 11 o'clock, I had to drop my first one to do this one first. Then I can go back and pick up my first one. Yeah, man, so on my way to Scarborough. Roads aren't too bad, it's just the weather, right? Some cars are on fire, some cars are in the ditches. Hey, I hope you guys are learning from the mistakes, man, and just do better. Winter is coming, we know this every year, so prepare yourself accordingly so you don't get stuck in these situations. So I'll see you guys when I'm at my first pickup, and I'll let you know how that goes. And that is that's going to Concord, and then from Concord going back to my first pickup, which is supposed to be in Mississauga. So keep you guys posted, all right? So I've made it. I'm in Scarborough. Look at the snow coming down. It's packing snow, but we're here for it. I've arrived, parked up and all.
Now I'm about to figure out what man door to go through because it looks like there's a few, but they're all locked. That's the annoying part when they're locked. You don't know which one to go. See? Locked again. Dispatchers, man. You guys need to figure out what doors also that we can go into because this back and forth becomes too much, man. It's a nuisance. This one looks locked as well to the back side. Hey, come on, man. This is not cool. 3 doors locked. Am I supposed to go to the front first? There's no indication of that. Or watch. Watch it be this side that I'm supposed to go to. This is some bullshit. But some of the things that we have to deal with. This is crazy, man. But it's snowing. Maybe we're gonna have a white Christmas. I like white Christmas, man. When you wake up and the trees are nice and white. My little forest that's behind me is all full of snow and ice. All right, so this door is open. Let's see. All right. So that drop was very easy. Nice people inside, man. They're all from like Caribbean, stuff like that, and bumping some hip hop, R&B, and reggae while I was in there, man, jamming. We had a little session in there, you know? We had a little session going on. Mad cool, man. So yeah, that's done. They told me where to go next time in case I'm looking for the man door, blah, 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 where to park. It's all good. So anytime I ever go back here, I know what it is. So take note of that too, guys. Anywhere you guys are going for your first time, try and remember and ask questions if you don't know. That way you know next time when you get there, boom, 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 who to go, where to go and who to talk to. It makes your job so much easier. All right, so that's done. So now I'm going to Mississauga. I'm gonna go pick up a load there and then drop that back off in Concord. But unfortunately, it's the back and forth, but it is what it is. I just got a phone call asking if I can do a pickup in Oakville, and that will go to St. Catharines. It's shit weather. The weather is so bad, but the money is good, so I'm gonna do it. That's what it is, because I can't even bust a secret yet, but I have to do it, right? It only makes sense for me to do it today. All right, so I'll call you. I will message you. I will jump back on here and give you guys an update of how the day is going. See y'all soon. That pickup was smooth. 2 skids here in Mississauga. Now I am going to St. Catharines to pick up, no, I'm going to Oakville to pick up a crate, and that crate is going to St. Catharines. From St. Catharines, come back and drop off these 2 in North York, then call it a day. Doesn't make sense I go to North York first, drop off, then go to Oakville, St. Catharines, and back. It sort of does, really and truly, if you look at the map, because of where I park and where I end my day. But I'm pressed for time and I don't want to get stuck in traffic going south. Going to Niagara it's a bitch, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. And even coming back is even worse. Oh God, I got a decision to really make. What do I do? What do I do? Almost 1 o'clock. I drop this off in North York, boom. Then I come to Oakville. You know what? I'm gonna do that instead. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. That makes more sense to me if I drop this off first. Yeah. Hopefully you guys are staying with me. If you guys know the city of if you know Ontario and the cities within Ontario, which direction that I'm talking about, I believe this will make sense. Because I park in Mississauga at the end of the day. So it makes sense for me to drop off North York, pick up in Oakville, head towards St. Catharines, drop that off, and I can take my time coming back. I can even stop at home and wait for the traffic to die off and then go park my truck. That makes more sense. Bada bing, bada boom. Talk it out, it's okay. Talk it out. It's better that you talk it out instead of you driving the wrong way and making the wrong decision. So another helpful hint for the day for all you truckers and drivers out there. So leaving Brock University, I just finished dropping off that 1 skid within 3 minutes, in and out. Nice old man that's doing the receiving. Sent off the picture to the dispatch. Good to go, man. So that's it. That's a day. Now I gotta figure out, what time is it? 3:30. Can I get back before the traffic really starts? I'll probably get caught in it along the way, especially around the QEW and no, not even Trafalgar, QEW, and I want to say Burlington. That's where I think I'm definitely gonna get stuck into it. Stay on the sidewalk, my girl. Freak, man. You're on the road waiting. It's ridiculous. I tell you about these college and university kids, man. I don't know what they're going to school for. Book smart, but not street smart. Stay on the sidewalk when you see big trucker roll. What happened to them? Anyways, like I'm saying, I'm gonna get stuck in some traffic, but it's better that it worked out this way, that I came up here last. Now I can just head back, park the truck, and go home. I don't have to worry about nothing. So yeah, man, that's it. Not too bad of a day. What is that? That's 3 runs out the way, some good distances in between those runs. So that's a good little paycheck right there for today. So until tomorrow, man. And excuse me if I'm getting my Vlogmas days wrong. I think this is Vlogmas day 8. I gotta circle back and check in the what I've been posting, but I think this is 8. So forgive me if I said it was 7 earlier. This is 8 because I am doing the weekends also. So anyways, thanks all the time for the love, the respect that you guys are showing me, the questions you guys are asking me. I'm here for it all, man. So until next time, like, subscribe, share, and all that bullshit. You know what I mean? See you guys, man.